Hey guys, welcome. So I'm excited. I got some pharmacy goodies. Now I'm not gonna talk extremely loud. Tyler just got his second COVID shot, so he's not feeling well. I get mine like next week. So I'm going to try to talk as quietly as I can. But I'll show you what I got. So I got two catalogs. Um, this is technically January to June 2021, but it is still it's, it still has all of our products in there. I mean, they pretty much add new products every month, um, depending on what it is or whatever. I don't know. But it has our eyeshadows, our foundations, our mascaras, fragrances, our skincare, all that stuff. I got some um, of the Aqualine skincare, which is like one of my favorites. Very hydrating. I really like it. I got after like so much money you spend, you get a dark blue liquid liner. Um, I'm not going to open it up, but let me see if I can find mine. And go from there. Okay, so this is the dark blue liquid liner. Let's, oops. And this is the color. So it is super nice. I really like them. They dry down very nicely as well. Very affordable. Um, I don't buy them very often just because I really I don't do them as often, but I can look up the prices for you. Let me see if I can find them. Okay, so our ink liner are $11.90 on my website, which I will get this posted if anyone is ever interested in going on my website and being able to order these. All right. The next thing, which I'm actually really excited, Farmasi launched some Vfx Elite camera ready liquid lipsticks. That's a mouthful. So I got the entire set, and I don't remember how much it costs. It's not in the catalog, which I will give you the prices of as well. But it comes in these really nice cartons. Um, so I will swatch them out. So this is in shade number 1. This is called Retro Rose. This is what the shade looks like. Very pretty. I'm not going to. There we go. I'm going to put that right on there. Sometimes they put this thing right here on the lid. Okay. See, the dark blue does dry down as a matte. And this is the applicator. And that is called Retro Rose. I can see this as a go-to every day. This is really pretty. Okay. Or you can call it shade 1. Alright, shade 2 is called Cool Beige. And this is what it looks like, the color. Shade 2. And that is a really pretty shade as well. It's like a very light rosy pink shade. That could be a really good ombre look. So, I mean, hey. Alright, shade number 3, which is called Cool Girl. And this is what it looks like. While I'm opening these, I am putting the sticker sound. They don't have like an extreme smell or anything, but they do have like a light scent. So that is cool or Cool Girl. That's a really pretty shade. It's like a mauvey brown color. So I'm excited. Shade number 4, which is Money Maker. If anyone is ever interested in getting any of these products, please let me know. I will be posting my link in the comments as well, so if anyone has any questions, or if anyone, and also my Instagram. This is called Moneymaker. There's Moneymaker right there. There's some really nice ombre looks, or ombre lips, that you can do with at least this one too. Okay, shade number 5, which is called Soft Violet. Ooh. That is a really pretty color. Very pretty. I like it. And that is Soft Violet. That's really nice. It has like a pinky violet color. I like that. Alright, shade 6, which is Flamingo Pink. And this is what it looks like. That's a really pretty shade. And it is super bright. I believe as singular they are $11.90, but you can get them into like a big set like I did right here. You can do that. Totally up to you though. Alright, and then this is shade 7, which is Rose Dream. Which is also really pretty. Now, if you guys are interested in getting any of these shades, you can go on my website and be able to order these and get them under the new arrivals. And this is that shade, which is called Rose Dream. Right there. Alright, and the last shade, which is called number 8, and it is called Heat Wave. And this is what it looks like. That is an orange. Orange shade, you guys. Orange. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to put that. This is a Fire Engine shade. Right there. Isn't that insane? Very pigmented. Very pigmented. So those are the 8 shades or VFX Elite um, liquids. Now, like I said, I don't even care if they're not in order anymore. It'll be okay. So you guys can order these singular, or you can easily be able to order them. Um, like I thought I had a makeup wipe. You can order in like like this, which I will give you the prices of. They do dry down matte, so they are kind of hard to take off just by like nothing. All right, and my last things, we got some new formula and new shades. We got 17 new shades of our VFX foundations. I got 3 because I did not know what shades I needed. So I got VFX Pro Camera Ready Foundation in 4, which is called Biscuit. No. But it is a full coverage foundation. You guys can see that. Here. And it also like dries down really good. Yeah, this is not my shade. Or maybe it is. It like goes down to the neck. Maybe it is. I don't know. I have been tanning and in the tanning bed, so I don't know exactly. It doesn't. It's not full coverage right now, just because one, it's literally just. But it's nice. I like it. Really good. Yeah, seems to be really good. All right. I also got shade number 6, which is called Sand. Shake that up. I will eventually just use all these foundations because either I'm gonna have like I'll be going through different stages of 10 or maybe that's my shade. I don't know. What do you guys think? I have no idea. Hmm, maybe. I think a lot of these shades are really close to the shade to what I need. So, I mean, we'll see. All right, and then the next shade is called number 8, which is also called Buff. I tried getting to at least as close as I can with like the neutrally shades and neutral warm shades. Ooh, okay. Okay, so maybe this is my shade. I think I can go between any of these shades. I don't know. Maybe. Ooh, these actually dry down really quickly. They dry down, you guys. They dry down, just so you know. They do not move after you, like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, so any of these shades probably would be really good. I think 8 is probably really close. Just gonna. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. This is actually one of my favorite foundations through Farmasi, mainly because it. Um, I'm just putting it all over my face. Mainly just because it dries down super nice. It lays perfect and just all around great foundation. Um, Now we did get new shades, of course, but it is $24.90 on my website. So if anyone is ever interested in getting a foundation, let me know. I will help you out in any way possible, and I can help you color match if you need help color match. Anything at all, just send me a message. I'll be posting this on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook in a little bit, and yeah, like send me a message, you guys. I think 8 is probably buff is probably my shade. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Cannot wait. Put some lip gloss on. All right. So comment below, you guys, if you guys need anything. If you guys need to be color matched with some of our amazing foundation, $24.90 just on my website. If you do not want to pay $24.90 and just pay half of it, you can sign up as a beauty influencer and just pay half of the price, which is like 15 bucks. The VFX liquid lipsticks are super nice, super comfortable. They do dry down to a matte, but very comfortable, and you can be able to just wear these. Lip gloss, if you guys are wanting to know, it is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in shade called Petal 005, if anyone is wanting to know what I put on my lips. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with these two. Maybe I'll do like a little Farmasi giveaway if anyone is interested in having a little bit of our skincare and also some liquid liner, and I will put in a few other things as well. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys.